the venue. Oh, it's another good serve, but a better pickup from Letran. Sari is red. Christy Ondangan puts it down.
Christy Ondangan.
Makikita mo, no? Grabe yung start talaga ng Benilde.
At ito yung hindi nila na-enjoy.
Yes.
Diba? Nung game number 1. Because they look very tentative. Parang medyo tense yung galawan.
Good thing lang din, kita natin sa kanila, medyo light sila ngayon.
That's a good dig from Lieses. Mike Sauer, MVP. Unable to do it there. Estoque will try. Popped up by Makilang. Judel, our best opposite. Back to Wewe.
Still good.
They bring it to Mike's. Drop ball. Sari's turn. Nasa likod si Lieses. Rally continues. Letran has it on their side. Gatigan was there. Rally gets extended. Oh! Sari finds a spot.
Grabe, parang ako yung napagod dun
Our longest rally so far. Actually, pangatlong play pa lang po natin.
Grabe.
Bante ng Benilde. Goodbye na. We'll see if Letran can catch up. 1-2 play. Nandun pa rin si Estoque. Estrelier. Back row for Gia. Makilang scores.
Yun yung sinasabi ko. Especially walang libero sa loob ang Benilde. Take advantage mo na. Targetin mo na talaga yung long ball.
They had Zam right behind. What difficulty picking it up. Ito si Jade Isar. Mike's with a pickup. Christy. Sari will try. Popped up by Lieses. Wewe from behind.
Wow! I love her vibe.
Yeah.
Sobrang light. Nahahawa din yung mga teammates niya sa kanya.
Yeah, look at this. Elevating from the backline. Wewe Estoque.
Yeah.
Talagang tumakbo siya, celebrating that point. Sari, put down by Vanessa.
Nagsa-start na si Sari. I think medyo kailangan niya lang magpainit pa.
Bibihira kasi may makakapigil sa atake ni Vanessa Sari. So kapag nakuha niya yung diskarte niya, tutuloy-tuloy.
Tuloy-tuloy na.
Ko picks it up. Estoque mula naman sa gitna. Judel. Netura scores.
At least kahit pa paano, nakakapagbalikan na sila. Nagkakaroon na din ng saluhan sa loob ng court. I think medyo na late lang yung adjustments ng Letran. Score natin dito.
Yeah. Here's the jump serve from Vanessa. Good dig coming from Dorog. Bumalik sa side ng Letran. Makilang scores it off the block. So Letran is within 2. Gia has 3 points.
Makilang. Sobrang explosive niya, no?
Yeah.
Sabi niya, ako na mag-receive nito. Ako na depensa nito. Sa akin mo din ibigay.
Yeah. Malakas, tsaka matalinong player din itong si Makilang. 6-1 run for the Lady Knights. Katarig is now in the game. And that's instant offense for Glidel Katarig.
She remained composed after that point.
Chill lang daw.
Chill lang.
Parang ano lang.
Wala lang.
Usual.
Yes.
She had 8 points dun sa ating game 1. That's one of her best spikers when it comes to efficiency. Oh, that's an ace.
That's an ace.
Christy Ondangan continues her excellent performance here in set 1. Limang puntos na ni-let go ni Vanessa Sari. Yung serve. Better pickup. Oh, Judiel down the line. Nandun si Ondangan. Katarig. Soft touch. It's still in play. Combination for Glidel. Katarig.
Sabi niya, ganito lang ang volleyball. Simple lang.
But I love this play. The decoy slide. Pero
As you can
papunta.
see, siya lahat yung humawak ng bola.
Home wing attackers nila nandyan sa harap.
Yes.
It's a good serve by Estrelier. Pinahirapan yung first ball ng Benilde. Estrelier now goes to Nitura. Popped up. Silva with the counter. They go to Vanessa. Torog diving for the ball. Katarig ends set number 1.
A basic volleyball for Katarig.
Making it look simple. Ito, Cargado. Nicely done by Dorog. But Clydel Katarig,
Hindi pa siya masyadong umatras niyan, ha?
simpleng-simple lang.
Simple lang.
This is Sari now. Oh, Dorog. Oh, Clydel Katarig with 5 points now off the bench.
Sorry. Grabe, na-amaze ako sa kanya. Paano siya maglaro. Look at that. Para siyang nagtitraining.
Yeah.
Christian Dahan now serving.
De La Cruz. Estrelier. She gives out the free ball. Benilde on the attack.
Katarig
Clydel
again!
Katarig. You cannot stop Clydel Katarig.
Kailangan ma-stop nila to. Hindi pwede. Very deadly.
And if you're
Grabe.
looking for,
Lang tayo.
sabi niya, darating tayo dyan. Basarte. To go.
That's in.
Again, a tight angle taken by Micah Go.
Hindi mo talaga pwedeng makawalan to kahit feeling mo outside na yung magiging hit niya, no?
Oo.
Talagang kaya niya din padaanin dun sa gilid talaga ng blocker.
Maganda rin yung tension niya.
Yes.
Yeah. Mike's with the cut shot. Hirap nito.
Good save.
Benilde gets a chance. Mike's. Nandun si Judel. Sari winds up. Lieses was right behind. Ondangan with the placement. Pero buhay pa. Mike's from the middle.
Wow. Kahit saan. Pero no, Martin, as you can see, mapapansin mo sa mga sets na binibigay dito sa Benilde, binilisan na yung mga sets na para hindi na sila maka-adjust talaga. Since nakukuha na ng mga...
Na may isa sa kanilang walang contribution. Thoughts, Martin and Carly?
Thank you so much, Glycia. I like what you said with Coach O. It's effort versus or over perfection as Katarig connects again. Napakataas ng percentage ngayon ni Clydel Katarig, who now has 7 points. Because that's the only thing you can do against Benilde.
Yeah,
you have to make the effort.
Yes.
Yeah.
They really need the team effort.
Well served. Zam.
Oh!
What a tip from Zam Nolasco.
Nakakita siya ng butas sa gitna. Talagang wala talagang kumuha. Pero nabasa pala. Kaya nagalit si Coach O, kung makikita mo.
Derecho sa gitna ng depensa ng Letran. Tumayaw.
Oh!
Jade
that's it.
Izar. Wow, she is in serious mode
Yeah,
in these
game
finals.
face.
Look at this. And we didn't see this all season long because she was playing behind. The first ball. Tinsing
Oh!
scores for Benilde. And they arrive at 7 points.
Makikita mo hindi na umaatake yung Benilde dito. Talagang tinatarget nila kung saan at saan sila nakakapatay since the start. But until now, hindi pa rin nakaka-adjust.
Panay power tip at drop ball. Yung nakikita natin mula sa Benilde. Gia picks it up. Back set for Nitura. Densing. Another chance for Letran. Judel. Detigan. Lieses.
Oh, yeses.
Benilde. Pocket set number 2.
Hindi na pinatagal ni yeses.
Ash Lieses. This one was a checkout to put Benilde in front by 2 sets. Dulas. Kasi ganun
Yes.
talaga yung approach niya. At yung atake niya. Ooh!
Oh, that's a good defense.
Tatawid ni Micah Go. Oh!
it.
Oh!
Micah Go.
Again, master of the placement hits.
Nakita ko yung reaction ni Coach Jerry doon. Parang kung ako yung pumalo, kikinigin ako. Napangiti si Coach Jerry doon.
Bihira yun, ha?
Bihira.
Sa gitna ng laban. But Mike scores.
For serving
She has 6 points right now. De La Cruz, single block by Ondangan. Nitura
Oh!
sends it away.
Tura.
Tura.
4 all. Judiel with the point.
That's a good approach right there.
Number 1 sa spiking efficiency.
Mhm.
No question. Kasi halos lahat patay, ano?
Talagang nagko-contribute.
So that's Yen Martin, the spark off the bench for the Lady Knights.
Parang hindi naman from the bench.
Oo nga. And this is a good two-way player, itong si Yen Martin.
Now serving.
It's a good start.
Yeah. De La Cruz.
Katarig again.
Ryder Katarig.
10 points
Wow.
off the bench for Clydel.
Hindi pa siya yung
Katarig.
nag-start niyan, ha?
Yeah.
7 serving 6.
Sa pace nyo lang.
Oh, yeah.
Para makasabay din yung iba nilang kasama.
Oh, nicely done by Katarig. And Micah Go catches the back line. She now has 8 points. 12-8.
12 serving 8.
4 unanswered points for the Lady Blazers.
And targeting the long ball.
Okay. Set up. Sari. Bumalik. Nitura. Single coverage. Sari again.
Oh, finally for Sari.
Kanina di ba niya hinahanap yun?
Oo. Makikita mo sa itsura niya talagang kahit saan niya ilagay na talagang nahuhuli siya. But now, nakuha niya yung spot.
Vanessa Sari only had 3 points in the second set. Medyo matagal talaga siyang
Mag-init.
Oo. Here is Mike's. Nando naman si Isar. Balik sila kay Sari. Trap ball did not work. Back to Sari. Deflected. Basarte throws it to Micah Go, who gets the check.
I think it's check ball. Yes, it's check ball.
13-9.
Very smart. Micah Go, kahit anong iangat mo sa kanyang bola,
Yeah.
kahit pangit yung mapunta sa kanyang set, gagawin niya talaga ng paraan.
Medyo na papatagal ngayon yung pahinga ni Gia Makilang.
Naka.
Wewe Estoque.
Estoque. That's a great combination play.
How about this? Because Nolasco is a big threat on offense. Letran had no choice but to check her. Martin. Bumalik. They bring it to Judel. Also checked. Back to Martin. Nolasco. Estoque.
Oh, Estoque again.
Benilde is rolling here in the third set. And 2 players coming in after the timeout for the Lady Blazers. Martin will start.
Good serve.
Oh, it's a nice serve. Basilio to Nolasco!
Tatlong blockers pa yan, ha?
Nolasco.
But this time, walang nakatouch ng bola niya.
23-15. Basilio, back set, Tenzing!
Wow! Densing!
And we have arrived
Wow.
at championship point.
It's a matter of heart and grit
Yeah.
this time.
Benilde has 8 points to work with. And Tenzing will now serve for the championship. Tumayaw. Sari. Go. Sari says, hold on.
Not
Meron
yet.
pa kami.
Yes, meron pa. Nandito pa ako sa unahan.
So Letran able to save.
For number 12 and number 1, Natura for number
The graduating player for Letran is Royce De La Cruz.
Yeah.
So they'll have a different middle come season 101. Pressure pack serve here for Estrelier. Mikes. Silva was there. Sari denied. Nitura
Oh!
drops it in.
Di pa tapos.
Second championship point saved by Letran.
Isa na lang.
Yeah, Benilde is ready to celebrate. Here's the pickup, overpass. Tatlong sunod mula sa Letran.
3 straight points for Letran. Ayaw pa nilang tapusin.
Again, Estrelier. Targeting it well. Matt has another one coming up. Another good serve. Could this be it? On Damon! Puts it down! And the 4-beat is secured! Your NCAA Season 100 Women's Volleyball Champions, the Benilde Lady Blazers!
Finally! Wow!
What a moment! For now, our 4-peat champions in the NCAA